Right, hello. I thought you might be interested in understanding how I quickly add sound effects. Nothing special, nothing sophisticated, just on an input, on an action, on a function running, do a sound effect. Very much like a version 1. So let me show you what I do. So firstly, I record it. Who'd have guessed? Um, I actually used this headset and I walked up to a dresser and I opened and closed it. So like the classic way. Um, I'm the, I'll stop speaking in a second just so it doesn't create an echo because I spent the last 10 minutes trying to figure out why the echo is happening in its Reaper. But the top one is the open and the bottom one is the close. I'll stop talking, I'll play it, and then I'll show you the Unreal side of it. So the first one, hopefully you can hear it. I'll do it a bit louder. So that's the open. That's the close. So I do these. I select which one I want. So there will be a better way to do it, but I'm quite new to Reaper, so I've done it quite quick. So you see what I've done on the bottom left. Uh, put one on mute, put the volume on one, export it, swap it, export it. Because you see this is an open and close. So I go to File, Render, Dresser Open. If I go in here, Directory. Let me just show you an easier way. You'll see there is Dresser Open and Dresser Close. Export them as WAVs. WAVs, that's right. So I'll close this. I then go to assets, but I guess you can put it wherever you want. Audio, sound effects folder. I don't have a folder within them at the moment, but what I when you I need to click something like empty space really. Um, it's like I forgot how to import it. Unreal. There we go. I just need empty space to do it. So you do import, or the top one. They will come through as these. I then create cues from them. So I do I select which ones I want, right click, multiple cues, so it just doesn't try and cram them all into one single cue. Um, Simply so I can, make it truly granular. Either before or after you've done the cue, I I pop these open, and this will be set to, I can't remember, but I'd change it to PCM just so it's uncompressed. Just I think if you've got like a surround sound system, you can set things to PCM. So that's where I discovered it. So I just set it to PCM, so it sounds the way you expect it to sound out. It sounds the same in Unreal as it sounds outside of Unreal if you just ran the files. I mark it as effects. Probably doesn't make any difference except from just like metadata side of it. Then we've got the sounds. And then you see here, this originally wasn't there. I just bolt it in. There will be a slicker way to do it, and I am overhauling storage to use data assets rather than all the structs and other bits and pieces. Upgrade all this. But I just do a play sound at location, and the actor location is what I feed in. So that will be the storage actor location. It will be where this is in the game world, not you, because it's not player character and then get actor location. It's get actor. So do that. That is the close for the close, and we have the open for the open. Wait a minute. On close. On close. Yeah, because there's another situation where it closes, and then there is an open. So yeah, align it to what you need to. Open for open, close for close. If I play it now, don't worry about the print string. Um, yeah, so if you see, hopefully you can hear that. Maybe I can increase the volume. Yeah, so that's it. The only thing I really had to do was just in Reaper, just tweak it right. So obviously it's a sprite, so it's like it's open, it's closed, it's open, it's closed. There's no sort of flipbook, slow close, slow open. But yeah, so just I had to align the initial sound with it opening and closing, sounding, just not too jarring, not too bizarre, not like there's a delay when you're playing the game. But that's it, and I do that for all the sounds. Um, I do have character moving around with a foot sound, which is they're not one for one. But the foot sound is basically if movement is, I get the what is it? It's not transpose, is it? I get like the vector transform or like the this. I kind of get this, and if it changes from zero, then that means there's movement. Either, well, in my case, it's forwards, backwards, left, right, because you can't fly. But no, no, ignore that, because you can jump. So yeah, so what I've done is if there is forwards, backwards, left, right, so X or Y, X or Y axis movement, so not zero, then do the foot sounds. I don't have a sound for jumping, but if I did do a sound for jumping, I would just do it on the Z location. Hopefully I've got the things right. So let's see. Yeah, because blue's Z, isn't it? Red, X, Y, X, Y, Z. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. That's basically what I do. Um, all these other sounds. That's the foot walking one. I made all these sounds a long time ago, and sometimes when I hear it, I think like, how did I even do it? The zombie ones, yeah, but some of the others, good times. But that's it. What I'm doing now is I'm doing the Bug Buster uh, branch. So this stuff. So I'm working through a bunch of bugs, and I'm just wrong screen, bunch of bugs, and this is the storage stuff. So that's why you see I'm working on storage right now, and I thought I'd mention it, seeing as I've done the open and close, which is 36. Now that is an old one. We're up to like 1300 now. Thank you for your time. I'll probably keep the camera on. Yeah, play around with it, stuff like that. See how it goes. And yeah, I'll see you in a couple of days after I've done some more bugs.